Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to view lyrics in Apple Music app. Let's begin. First, open up the Apple Music app. Once you have it open, search for a song. Let me do Michael Jackson. And just ignore that. Jackson. Beat It. One of my very favorite song. And go to the song. You can pause it. If you see this menu, when you get to here, just scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and you can see it should look like this, but it says lyrics and then it says show. If you tap on show, it will give you the lyrics. Okay, and that's how you view lyrics on a song. Just scroll down. Or another thing that you can do, you see those little three dots? Tap on those, and you can just say lyrics. Tap on where it says lyrics, and it shows you all the lyrics to this song. Okay, that's how you view song lyrics on Apple Music. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.